Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make one very fluffy and tasty dish made of egg. Please try making it out. It comes out so nice. So try it and do let me know in the comment section below. And yes, if you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's get into the video. So let's get into the ingredients. So first we need oil for frying, and this I have chopped onion, ginger, garlic and tomatoes in it. So you can do it separately, but I have done it together only. After that you need 3 boiled eggs. You have to grate it, so I'll grate it now only. 2 raw eggs, some butter and 1 or 2 tablespoons of cheese. I have taken mozzarella cheese, you can take any cheese, and some of spices. So let's start. We'll put oil, 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. Let it heat. So now oil is heated. Now we'll add some cumin seeds on the flame on a low medium. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and now add these chopped ingredients. Saute it for like 2 minutes. Keep on stirring. Wait for 2 minutes till it is like nice golden brown or it turns translucent. Nice translucent now. Now we have to add some spices. First we'll add salt as per your taste. I also add little only. Turmeric powder, little bit of red chili powder, and I have made this spices with oregano leaves and garlic powder and a little bit of black pepper. So, and 1 tablespoon of garam masala. That's it. To mix it well. Add half of butter, like so we'll add half butter now and half will save for later. Just fry it. It's done. It's fried already. It's like very nice. It will give nice aroma. Now what we have to do, keep it aside, like we have to spread it all in the base of this pan nicely so that the base wouldn't see, you have to spread it all over, like a thin layer on the base. Just turn the flame on very low. Now what we'll do is add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. It's optional. If you don't like it, so you don't. You give a nice sweet and sour taste. Mix it well. Now just again you have to spread it on the base nicely. thing what we have to do in this process is you have to grate these boiled eggs. So I have taken 3 boiled eggs. You can take more or less as per you. I'll grate it. See, you can grate it like this only or from this big one. It's up to you. Ingredients in the pan should be on very low flame because otherwise it will stick to the bottom. Now just add these grated eggs into it. We don't have to mix it, we just have to overlay it, like lay it on top of this and spread it nicely. Okay. Now add some cheese on top of it. If you want, you can add some oreganos and chili flakes on top of it. I will do it. Spread it again on top of it. Now the rest of the butter we have saved it, so you have to put it now. Like you have to just make a round so that it reaches on the base. Just turn it around. You can use knife also for this. Just turn it and then just leave it like that. Now what we have to do is take 2 raw eggs which we have taken, just break it on this. You can add more eggs if you want, but we only 2 people, so I have added only 2 eggs. Now what you have to do is with the lid and put it on a very low flame and let it cook. So we have to cover it with the lid and let it cook for like nice 2-3 minutes and then we'll check afterwards. So now it's 2 minutes now and it's not yet cooked, so just take a spoon or a fork or a knife, anything. Just break these eggs nicely so that it gets mixed with all the eggs and tomatoes. Just slightly poke it and it will get inside, till the base. Again, just cover it and wait for another 2-3 minutes. Then again we'll check. Now we'll check how it is. You can see it is half cooked, I guess. Just scratch it so that it doesn't stick on the bottom. Anyways, we have kept the flame on very low, so it won't stick, but still we just have to check it. Just scratch it. Another 2-3 minutes, I guess, so that this egg on the top will get cooked nicely. So we'll just cover the lid and wait for another 2 minutes. Now just check if it's cooked or not. The egg, you can check this, it is very hard, so it's almost cooked. Now we'll take out and put in a serving plate and let's taste it how it is. now it's ready. You can see how delicious it looks. You can have it with toast, bread, or you can have it like this only. You can try it in breakfast, evening snacks, or whatever. It's very different and delicious snacks. Guys, do try it and let me know how it was.